Reese, what you got on? What you got on? Did you find your brother's shoes? Let me see your shoes. Look at Molly. What are you doing? What are you doing? Would you stop moving? Look at Mommy. What you got on, huh? You put your hat on, Trip? You put your hat on? Yay! Are you Mickey Mouse? Take your bob out. No? Reese, you got Riley's shoes on? What you got on? Oh! Reese, he's just giving you the hat.